So we are going to see how we plot these values. First, along the x-axis, we have angles 0 to 360. So the angles are already there. You have written them. So all you have to do is to identify the value of y on the y-axis. The highest value for y is equals to cos x is 1. 1 and negative 1. Which means the amplitude for y is equals to cos x is 1. The amplitude is the value here. The amplitude is the value written before cos, which is, in this case, it's 1. So, but for this one, it is 3. So we'll go all the way to 3. So we start with y is equals to cos x. And as I said, the values keep repeating themselves. Between 0 and 120, cos starts from 0. The cosine of 0 is 1. 30 is 0.86, which this is 5, 6, 7, 8. So it is somewhere here, between 8 and 9, 0.87. 60 is 0.5. 0.5 is easy. You can see it between 0 and 1. 90, it is 0. 120, negative 0.5, should be easy to see. Negative 0.5. 150, negative 0.87. 87, you check in your graph where there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9. So somewhere between 8 and 9. Negative 1 should be easy to find. Then the rest just repeats themselves. They are parallel. 240, negative 0. Well, wait a minute. I think this value is wrong. Let's repeat this one. 60, it is, the cosine of 60 is 0.5. Oh, it's okay. The values are correct. The values are just correct. There's nothing wrong. Now, 240, negative 0.5, 270, 0, 300, 0.5, 0.5 is easy. Now 0.86 is the one that is difficult. So you have to be very careful with that one. 1 is easy. So this is how the graph looks like. Looks like this. So you call this graph y is equals to cos x. Y is equals to cos x. Now we're going to draw the other graph. Now, I'm going to use the same ink. Now, 0, it is 3. 30 is 2.6. You have to know 2.6, 2.5, 2.6, 60, 1.5. 1.5 is easy. 90 is 0. That's easy. So the graph looks like the other one, except that the amplitude is 3. Now 120 is negative 1.5. Should be easy to know. 150, negative 2.6. Now that is tough to find out, but from your graph paper you should be able to see. 180 is negative 3. Negative 3, 180. So the rest, they start repeating themselves. Should be easy to plot now. You just check where the opposite is, because they repeat themselves. 270 is like now 90 is 0. Now 300. You just check the other one is here. So the other one should also be here. 330 should be parallel to the other one. 2.6. 360. You see, you just plot easily because the values are parallel. Then you draw. A smooth graph. You start up there. So your graph should look like that. If I can repeat it using a black pen for clarity, you just draw a smooth curve without sharp corners, just circular. So that is the graph of y is equals to cos 3 cos x. You must label the graph. Now the highest value is 3. So the amplitude for y is equals to cos x is 1. For y is equals to 3 cos x is 3. So you should see the amplitude is the value there. If it is negative, you should ignore the negative sign and make it positive. So let's go to another level.